This is part 2 of chemical kinetics. Today let us learn about the rate of the chemical reaction. Let's start. There are three types of reaction. First is fast reaction. Example of fast reaction is ionic reaction. Ionic reaction in the sense, example is precipitation of AgCl, that is silver chloride. Silver chloride precipitation is usually occurring while mixing the aqueous solution of AgNO3, that is silver nitrate and NaCl. When AgNO3 and NaCl is mixed, the aqueous solution of AgNO3 and NaCl, when it is mixed, it forms the precipitate called silver chloride, AgCl. Got it? This occurs very fast. This is example of ionic reaction. And the second thing is slow reaction. Slow reaction example is rusting of iron when it is in the presence of the moisture and air. And the next thing is moderate speed. Moderate speed reaction is inversion of cane sugar. That is, sugar can be inverted again. So inversion of cane sugar is an example of moderate speed reaction. Second example for moderate speed is hydrolysis of starch. Starch could be hydrolyzed. That is, starch could be broken down with the presence of water, H2O. Got it? These are the three types of the reaction. The next thing is, when does we say the rate of the chemical reaction occurs? When the rate of the reactant decreases or product's rate increases, that is reactant to product. Okay, so there are the given data in your textbook. Delta T means T2 minus T1, delta R means R2 minus R1, delta P means P2 minus P1. Just you know this. And what is the rate of the chemical reaction? It is change in concentration upon time. When the concentration of the product or the reactant when it is changing, that is delta R or delta P upon time. That is what here I have given as a formula. The rate of the disappearance of R, when R is decreasing, reactant is decreasing, that is decrease in the concentration of R by time. As it is decreasing, we are denoting it by minus delta R by delta T. What most of the students do is that they will miss that minus sign. So always remember that you should not forget the minus sign. Minus delta R upon delta T. Okay, and similarly for rate of the appearance of the P, that is product, increase in the concentration of product, always product will increase upon time, correct? So plus delta P upon delta T, always remember it is concentration upon time. If it is reactant, it is R upon T. If it is product, it is P upon T. But in reactant, you remember to put the minus sign. There is one note point, when delta R, it is actually a negative quantity because it is decreasing, right? Because of that it is a negative quantity, so that you should multiply by minus 1 to make it a positive quantity. So that is what is all about today's class. Bye.